So the next section is in chapter 3 is manipulating lists. So we've got list variables. We just saw a demo of that in the previous section. And that can contain multiple items of data widely used in Python. And you have a number of methods that can be dot suffixed to the list name of manipulation. Not sure how. Okay. List method is using a dot, hence the name dot suffixed. Okay, and also there's some list methods and some descriptions and some text. I'm just reading a bit now about the indexing. Useful string representation of numeric values can, however, be produced by Python's str function. Okay. So let's see what the next page says. Start a new Python script. We'll do that. Initialize two lists of 3 elements each containing string values. So basket equals apple bun cola, and there's got to be some quotation marks in there before and after each of the string values. Square bracket. So that was the first list, and the next is crate. Okay, not create, but crate. Apparently. Egg, fig, grape, and then some quotation marks. There we go. And let's save that as, I don't know, man list. Could get misinterpreted that, but anyway. So add a statement to display the content of the first list element and its length. So print quotation mark basket list colon quotation mark comma basket. Basket elements, yeah, colon quotation mark comma len basket. So that would be the length, right, of basket. Sounds right. Looks right. Save. Python man list. No manipulation. Man list. Invalid syntax. All right. Quotation marks at the beginning there. So basket list, apple, bun, cola, basket elements, 3. Woohoo! Okay, so that's the length function. L-E-N, length. Len. Now, Let's see. Add statements to add an element and display all list elements, then remove the final element and display all list elements once more. Okay. Basket dot append. So this is one of the what did they call it? They called it dot suffixed, right? Append. So the structure for that is the list name dot append and then parentheses. So Damson is the element to add. Print appended basket. Next line is print last item removed colon quotation mark basket dot pop, like so. And what was that? Pop removes item at index position I and returns it. Okay. Next line is print basket list and then basket again. So what this is going to do, it's going to we've still got the list over here, so it's going to print the basket list, the name of the basket, then it's going to print the length, right, number of elements, then it's going to add an item, and then it's going to print the new stuff and print the last item removed. So let's see how that turns out. So basket list apple bun cola, basket element 3, as before, appended apple bun cola Damson, right? Last item removed. Not sure why it says removed, because it's added. That's got to be a mistake, don't you think? Yeah, because it's not removed, it's added. Last item added must be. I'm going to change that here. Last item added, because that's the whole point of this. So that's got to be a mistake. Here we go. Last item added, Damson basket list. Hang on. Basket list again. Basket. So did we not add? Append. Okay, hang on. What was pop again? Pop removes item at index position. Okay, so we're adding an item to the basket list, Damson. Then we're printing the content, or appended. Yeah, okay. The content of the basket now that we've added Damson, and then we're using basket.pop to remove that item again. So it was actually correct with last item removed, and it's not kind of removed the last item that was removed. It was based on the pop, and then the emptiness of the parenthesis here indicates that it is the last item in the list that will be removed. So that's what this means. Last item removed, because it's the last item in the list, and that was Damson. And then the basket list is printed again down here, and you can see apple. It contains now apple, bun, and cola. And the last item that was in the list after we appended it was Damson, but that has now been removed with the basket.pop function. Okay, so that was cool. Anything more? Finally, add statement to add all elements of the second list to the first list and display all the first list element. Then remove elements and display the first list again. Okay. So basket dot extend is the dot suffix for that. Crate, because that's the second list. So extend crate, then print extended something, extended list, perhaps, and then basket, because that's still the name of the list. And then del basket 1. Okay, so I just add all elements of the second list to the first list, then display the first list element. Okay, then remove elements. Okay, del basket 1. Then print the first list again. Print item removed basket, name of the list. Then del basket 1, 3, and at the end print again slice removed basket. So that was a lot of text. Let's see if this works. Type error. List indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. So what did I do wrong now? Not comma 3, colon 3. And there we go. So no, there we not go. Man list, there we go. So basket list, apple, bun, cola, basket elements 3. So far so good. Appended, now we append Damson, right? Then we use the basket.pop to remove the last item again, which is Damson. So item removed, Damson. The basket list is now back to apple, bun, and cola. Then we extend it to include the crate list as well. So now the list is apple, bun, cola, egg, fig, and grape. But then we remove an item. So del basket 1. So we remove the bun. So apple is 0, bun is 1, cola is 2, which means apple cola is still there, and then the rest of the list, grape, or was it crate? So apple, cola, egg, fig, grape. Now bun is removed. Then we remove a slice. Right, this thing. So we remove the items 1 through what is it? 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. So that should be cola, because apple is 0. So 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Hang on. Shouldn't it be fig that's removed there? That's weird. Delete basket 1 and 3. Could be 1, 2, 3. But then in the extended list here, right, we've got apple, bun, cola, egg, fig, grape. Then we remove bun. So the new list is apple, cola, egg, fig, grape. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It seems that the slice is actually removing from the original list, because it's removing bun. Oh, sorry, it's removing cola. No, it can't be that either. 0, 1, 2. Huh. So 0, 1, 2, 3. It's removing cola and egg. Why is it doing that? What if we change to 4? So if, because the 1 colon 3 thing could be that anything from 1 and 2, 3 is removed, which means 1 is removed, 2 is removed. And that's the case here, cola, egg. So if we change that to 4, that should basically mean that both cola, egg, and fig disappears. So let's see how that goes. Yep, cola, egg, and fig disappears. So the meaning of the slice here is you start removing at 1 and you stop at 4, meaning that pieces 1, 2, and 3 is removed. So what if we go 2 on this one? That should mean that apple, cola, egg, grape. So 0, 1, 2. That should mean that only cola is removed. And that is correct. So only cola is removed. I'm going to change that back to the original, which it says in the book. And it ends with apple, fig, grape. Yeah, because cola and egg is gone. And that's the picture in the book as well. Apple, fig, grape is the last names. Okay.